What's going on, guys? This is Band Sqaut. We're back in the lab, Star Sports Performance, Mentor, Ohio. And I just wanted to make a quick sequel to the video that I just posted about the reverse band bench press. Today we're going to talk about the reverse band squat. Basically, if you didn't see the video, I spoke about how the reverse band bench allows you to load up more weight on your muscles. That way you get accustomed to doing heavier loads. It's great for explosiveness, power, and strength. Well, today, it's the same for the reverse band squat. However, for myself, maybe some of you guys, the use of these reverse bands, especially in the squat, might be helpful for you due to injuries or some joint issues, whatever it may be. I kind of busted up my knee when I was about to sign a contract to play in the NFL and ended my career. Ever since that knee injury, doing heavy weight for my lower body has been tough. Especially in the eccentric motion. That's where we descend for a squat. That's where we squat down to 90 degrees, maybe a little bit lower. That's called an eccentric motion when we lengthen our muscles. That is especially tough for me when I squat having that heavy load and coming down controlled. Well, this reverse band squat, these bands, as I said in the first video, they take off that resistance. So for me, as I descend, into the bottom of the position, it gets lighter and lighter and lighter for me, which is obviously easier for my muscles and my joints to control. There's less force and I can absorb it quicker. On the way back up, when these bands lose that resistance that they've built up, they become more elastic. I start to get more of that weight back on my back, back through my legs, and I get the full effect of having that heavy load on my back. So it looks a little bit like this. You'll see these bands are loose right now, but they're gonna tighten up as I drop down into the eccentric motion of the squat, but then on the way back up, all I get is the full load. So if you noticed, again, the bands, they tightened up for me, helping me as I moved my weight down the eccentric motion. On the way back up, as I said, I got the full effect of this weight. We have 365 on right now. Without the bands, it would be a little bit tough on my knee. With the bands, I was able to do it pretty easily. I was able to rep this if I needed to. And I can get just, all the benefits of squatting heavy without all the negative effects of squatting heavy. Guys, try to implement this in your training program, whether you want, again, increase explosiveness, power, or strength through your lower extremities, or if you just want to continue to squat a little bit heavier and, unfortunately you have some knee issues, hip issues, or, you just don't have the form down yet. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Hit us up on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Follow this YouTube page if you have any questions. And of course, stop and get a workout with us. We'll see you.